How to sign up in SproutGigs. Signing up for SproutGigs is a straightforward process that allows you to start earning by completing microtasks online. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you create your account. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, type down SproutGigs and visit the official website. Now, once you are in the official website of the SproutGigs, you will get to see the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Now, all you have to do is fill out the registration form, enter your real name, email address, and password, choose a nickname. This will be your display name on the platform. Then select your country from the drop-down menu and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy by checking the respective boxes. Then simply tap on the Sign Up button to proceed. Now, once your email is verified, you will be navigated to the login page. You'll have to log in with the same username and password you just created. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.